Many countries in Africa are going through a tough time, dealing with rising inflation, severe droughts, and food shortages. The situation has worsened due to a cut in supply of grains, including wheat, maize, and soybeans, as a result of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Leaders of the African Development Bank Group met in Accra to discuss ways of tackling the imminent food crisis that the continent faces. The African Economic Outlook report released by the African Development Bank says the continent's economic growth may reduce from the 6.9% recorded last year to 4.1% this year, while the pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine conflict persist.
Currently, we see that in addition to that 30 million Africans that was pushed into extreme poverty because of COVID-19, up to 2 million will also slide into poverty in 2020-2022.
Climate change has also been linked to Africa's food shortage. The African Development Bank says it will provide a $1.5 billion grant to farmers across Africa to help them grow more food.
We all agreed it is time to support Africa to produce its food. It is time to have food sovereignty in Africa. Food aid cannot feed Africa. Africa does not need bowls in hand. Africa needs seeds in the ground and mechanical harvesters to harvest bountiful food produced locally.
20 million smallholder farmers across Africa are expected to benefit from the African Emergency Food Production Facility from the African Development Bank. The farmers will also be given certified seeds and access to agricultural fertilizers to help them boost food production. It is hoped that about 38 million tons of food will be produced by the end of the 2-year program. Ghana's President Nana Akufo-Addo believes that more still needs to be done to boost Africa's economic growth.
In addition to the pressing food, fuel, and fiscal challenges, we still have to ensure that, 1, the remaining 85% of the continent's population are vaccinated against COVID-19. 2, the remaining 60% of health facilities on the continent are connected to a reliable source of electricity. 3, the teeming youth, who are over 60% of our population, are better educated and equipped for the job market.
The African Economic Outlook report has also urged governments in Africa to step up their COVID-19 vaccination drive. It says the continent's economic recovery could be boosted when infections are reduced drastically. Nabil Ahmed, Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.